Have you ever considered life as a playful experience rather than a journey? An intriguing question to ponder, isn't it? Imagine a symphony, a beautiful, intricate collection of sounds, harmonies, and rhythms. The purpose of a symphony isn't to reach the final note, is it? No, the purpose is to enjoy the music, every note, every pause, every crescendo. Music doesn't aim for the final chord, it thrives in the moment. It's a dance in time, a celebration of sound. Now, consider life. We've been conditioned to think of life as a journey. From our early years, the education system instills in us a linear view of life. We progress from one grade to another, steadily moving towards the ultimate goal of graduation. It's a race, a marathon, a relentless pursuit of the finish line. We're taught that life is a series of milestones: college, job, marriage, retirement. It's a checklist, and the goal is to tick off each item as quickly as possible. However, this journey analogy often leads to disillusionment. We chase these milestones, believing that they'll bring us happiness and fulfillment. We work tirelessly, sacrificing our health, our relationships, our passions. But when we finally reach the goal, we often find ourselves feeling drained, unfulfilled, and yearning for something more. What if we've been viewing life all wrong? What if life isn't a journey with a destination, but a musical experience to be enjoyed? Just like a symphony, the beauty of life lies in its moments. It's in the laughter that bubbles up from deep within, the warmth of a loved one's embrace, the awe of a breathtaking sunset. It's in the challenges that shape us, the failures that strengthen us, and the triumphs that uplift us. Life isn't about racing towards the end. It's about dancing in the rain, basking in the sun, and marveling at the rainbow. The educational system, with its emphasis on grades and achievements, often overlooks this. It fosters a mindset of constant striving, pushing us to reach the next level, the next goal. But life isn't a ladder to be climbed, it's a dance to be danced, a song to be sung. The central message here is not to discard the idea of goals or ambitions. Rather, it is a call to shift our perspective. Instead of seeing life as a journey with a set destination, consider it a playful experience, a symphony. Don't rush to the finish line, instead dance along with the rhythm, sing along with the melody. In conclusion, life is not a journey with a predetermined destination. It's a playful musical experience, like a symphony. It's not about reaching the final note, but about enjoying each beat, each rhythm. It's about living in the moment, celebrating the now. It's about dancing to the music of life, not racing towards the end. So as you navigate through life, remember to dance, to sing, to play along. Because life, dear listener, is not a journey, it's a symphony.